skydiving. Who do we have here?
Andrew.
And?
Connor.
Guys got these crazy looking outfits on. What are you getting ready to go do, guys?
We're going to go jump out of a plane.
Nice.
Yeah.
Whose idea was this and why?
I don't know about
I think
that.
this is.
Ah, nice.
Been in the making for a while.
Just for the heck of it?
Yep.
Sounds good.
We're
We're gonna.
Grandma to come, but she wouldn't.
Grandma wouldn't come?
No.
Didn't even want to watch, huh? Wish you could watch a video.
Yep.
Tell you what, in just a moment, we're going to load up in that brown and yellow airplane over there to the right. We're going to climb up to altitude, hook you up, and throw you out. You ready to go?
Ready to go.
Oh, man! What'd you think?
Oh, that was wild.
Hey, Connor, you jumped out of an airplane. What do you got to tell everybody?
I made it. Well, we're not down yet.
You know, you're the second person to say that today. That's
Yeah.
funny. All right, pull down on the right. There we go. All right, man. You did
Made
it.
it.
Nice job. All's well that ends well, right?
That's right.
Any parting words of wisdom?
Oh, I'd do it again.
All right, man. Thanks for coming
Thanks,
out.
Sam.